So in a flash, the question for the West Indies team has evolved from can they retain their World T20 title to can they leave the first round to no if them can win a game in the tournament. and that's how it reached. This is after the Windies bowed to another toothless defeat, this time to South Africa. And look, from the day the team was selected, the foolishness started as Roger Harper and his panel were on the defensive after leaving out Jason Holder, claiming that Sunil Narayan was not fit enough, leaving out promising youngsters Odin Smith and Romario Shepherd, while including a 42-year-old Chris Gale and a 37-year-old Ravi Rampal. These were always risky selections and non-selections that could backfire and are now backfiring. Then there was the universe boss, the outburst, and the utterances of the captain. So they all put themselves under pressure from the get-go. So now that it appears that the West Indies will be on the first flight home. If this first round exit materializes, I think Roger Harper and his entire panel of selectors should have resigned. Yeah, man, do the honorable thing. One colleague of mine said that we should flog them in the public square. But now put it so far. No, that got too far. No flogging, you know, me now. No, flog me too.